In today's video is all about dining table design with price in India. A dining table is not just furniture, it is where families connect and guests are entertained and daily memories are created. Choosing the right dining table design depends on the space, material, seating capacity and budget. So if you are planning to buy a dining table for your house, this video will help to choose the perfect design with the latest prices in India. So friends, now we know importance of good dining table design. A well-designed dining table enhances the look of your dining area, offer to the comfort and during the meals. It matches your living room theme and lasts for years come. An Indian home's dining table must be strong and space efficient and easy to maintain. Dining table types based on the sitting. The two-seater dining table best for 1 BHK studios or apartments. These are compact and space-saving, ideal for the small families. The price in India starting at 5,000 rupees to going up to the 12,000 rupees. And four-seater dining table. Its most popular choice in Indian homes. These are suitable for nuclear families. Available in wooden, glass, and marble tops. The price in India starting at 8,000 rupees to going up to the 30,000 rupees. Six-seater dining table. These are best for medium or large families. It's required to the dedicated dining space due to the premium look. The price in India starting at 15,000 rupees to going up to the 60,000 rupees. Eight-seater dining table. These are luxury category, ideal for villas or large homes. The price in India 30,000 to going up to the 1,50,000 or plus. It's depending on the wood type. Dining table designed by materials. Solid wood dining table like materials sesame, teak, mango or wood. This has strong and durable traditional and premium look. Price range in India. Four-seater sesame wood dining table will be starting at 15,000 to going up to the 35,000 rupees. Six-seater dining table sesame wood or mango wood dining table will be cost starting at 20,000 to going up to the 60,000 rupees. Glass top dining tables, modern and stylish and best for contemporary interiors. The price in India 15,000 rupees to going up to the 35,000 rupees. Need of careful maintenance if you have kids. Marble or stone top dining tables. These are luxury and hotel style appearance. Very strong and long lasting. The price in India starting at 20,000 to going up to the 1,20,000 rupees. And engineered wood or MDF dining tables. These are budget friendly, lightweight, and stylish. The price in India starting at 6,000 rupees to going up to the 18,000 rupees. Dining table Dining table design styles. These are modern and minimal designs. Clean lines and natural colors. The price will be 10,000 to going up to the 30,000 rupees. Traditional Indian designs, carved wooden legs, rich finishes. The price will be 30,000 rupees. Foldable or space saving dining tables ideal for the small apartments. The price will be 9,000 to 20,000 rupees. Dining table with bench sitting. These are trendy and practical. The price will be starting at 15,000 to going up to the 50,000 rupees. Some I will provide the dining table buying tips. Before buying, always check the size of your dining area, sitting requirement and material durability, maintenance level and matching the chairs and interiors. For daily use or solid wood or marble top is best. For budget homes, engineered wood work well. So friends, this video was complete guide on dining table design with price in India. Choosing the right dining table design can upgrade your home interiors look comfort and instantly. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas with prices. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.